Dr. Huebner, Natural Transplants, calling here with Teesha. Teesha has been kind enough to show us her results after 1 year. And as you can see from the video, the before pictures that we were looking at before, huge difference, night and day difference in terms of her edges and the sides and her profile. And now she's able to wear her hair out. She's actually considering a second pass, but we're not really sure. But Teesha, tell us about the process of the hair transplant and tell us about what you think of your results.
Sure. So I did quite a bit of research before deciding to go ahead and have the transplant, and it can be a little intimidating, seeing the pictures or hearing about other people's stories and their journeys. But the actual process, when you go through it, it is so smooth. I'm so happy with my results and that I chose the clinic that I chose because everyone has been amazing. Okay. I mean, it's nowhere near as bad as you would imagine. The pain, just the healing process, all of it is just like, it's a piece of cake, really.
Yeah, I imagine the waiting's probably the hardest part, right, in the beginning.
Yep.
So, yeah, it's like watching grass grow. Can we model your hair a little bit? Can you maybe just pull your silk up a little? Yeah, there we go. And so you can see, let's do it just from the front first. So we'll do side by side. So I'm going to put them right side by side. And then chin down just a little bit. Let's see how it looks there, even closer. Perfect. Now turn to the left or right side and just hold it there. Wow. Hold it there for a couple seconds. Look at the difference between before and after. Unreal. And let's see the other side, Teesha. Wow. Unreal.
Everyone is just like, I can't even believe it.
It's awesome. And it's permanent, which is nice. A permanent fix, right? So, Teesha, thank you so much for showing your results. Does a scar bother you at all in the back? Do you have any issues with that?
Nope.
Okay.
I don't notice it. My beautician hasn't noticed it, so.
Fantastic.
Nope.
That's the way it should be. Teesha, thank you again for highlighting your results, and I'm sure this will help someone else in their journey. So thank you for paying it forward. All right?
Thank you.
Thanks, Teesha. Bye. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hugh and Hugh Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.